Safety railings are so important in our homes. They provide a crucial barrier that helps prevent accidents, especially in households with children, elderly family members, or anyone with mobility issues. These railings offer peace of mind, knowing that there is an added layer of protection against falls. They prevent falls and accidents. Imagine a scenario where someone is rushing down the stairs and loses their balance. Without a railing, the consequences could be severe. But with a sturdy handrail, they can quickly regain their balance and avoid a potentially dangerous fall. This is especially true for stairs in areas with different levels. Homes with split-level designs or multiple floors can be particularly hazardous without proper railings. These barriers ensure that every step is taken with confidence, reducing the risk of missteps and accidents. Installing a railing yourself is a great project. Not only does it enhance the safety of your home, but it also provides a sense of accomplishment. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can transform a potentially dangerous area into a safe and secure space. It's easier than you think. Many modern railing kits come with detailed instructions and all the necessary hardware, making the installation process straightforward. Even if you're not particularly handy, you can still achieve professional-looking results with a little effort. Plus, you'll save money doing it yourself. Hiring a professional can be expensive, but by taking on the project yourself, you can significantly cut costs. The money saved can be used for other home improvements or even a family outing to celebrate your successful DIY project. But remember, safety is the priority. Before you start any DIY project, it's essential to take the necessary precautions. This means wearing the appropriate safety gear and ensuring that your workspace is free from hazards. Before you start, wear safety glasses. Protecting your eyes from dust, debris, and potential splinters is crucial. Safety glasses are a simple yet effective way to prevent eye injuries while working on your project. Work gloves are important too. They provide a barrier between your hands and any sharp or rough materials you might encounter. This not only prevents cuts and scrapes, but also gives you a better grip on your tools and materials. They protect your hands from sharp edges and tools. When working with wood, metal, or other materials, it's easy to get small cuts or splinters. Wearing gloves ensures that your hands stay safe and injury-free throughout the project. If you're unsure about any step, ask a professional. There's no shame in seeking help if you're uncertain about any part of the installation process. A quick consultation with a professional can provide valuable insights and ensure that your project is completed safely and correctly. It's better to be safe than sorry. Taking the time to do things right and prioritizing safety can prevent accidents and injuries. Remember, a well-installed railing not only enhances the safety of your home, but also adds to its overall aesthetic appeal. Having the right tools makes any job easier. For this project, you'll need a few key things. First, a tape measure is essential for accurate measurements. A pencil will help you mark your spots. A drill is crucial for making holes. Don't forget your level. It ensures the railing is straight. A screwdriver is handy for securing the brackets. Lastly, a stud finder helps locate sturdy support beams in your wall. Before you start drilling, take your time to measure. Measure the area where your railing will go. Use your tape measure and pencil. Mark the height you want the railing to be. This ensures the railing is comfortable to grip. Remember, accuracy is key. Double-check your measurements. An error here can mean your railing isn't as safe. It's always better to measure twice and be sure. Studs are the backbone of your walls. They are strong vertical beams behind your drywall. When installing a safety railing, it's crucial to anchor it to these studs. This ensures maximum support and stability. Use a stud finder to locate the studs in your wall. Lightly run it across the wall until it beeps or lights up, indicating a stud. Mark these locations with a pencil. They will be your anchor points for the railing brackets. Now it's time to drill. Using your drill and a drill bit slightly smaller than your screws, create pilot holes. These small holes guide the screws and prevent the wood from splitting. Align your drill with the marks you made over the studs. Apply firm and even pressure. Don't rush this step. Drilling straight and accurately ensures your railing will be securely mounted. Remember, safety comes first. Section 6. Setting the stage. Installing the brackets. With the pilot holes ready, it's time to install the railing brackets. Align the brackets with the holes. Use your screwdriver to attach the brackets to the wall. Ensure the screws are driven straight and firmly into the studs. Don't over-tighten the screws, as this can damage the wall or strip the screw heads. The brackets should sit flush against the wall. They provide a strong foundation for your safety railing. Section 7. Raising the bar, attaching your safety railing. In this section we will guide you through the essential steps to ensure your safety railing is securely and properly installed. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a first-time homeowner, this guide will provide you with the confidence and knowledge to complete the task efficiently. Now comes the exciting part, installing the railing itself. Before we begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials at hand. This includes your safety railing kit, a screwdriver, a level, measuring tape, and any additional hardware specified in your railing instructions. Having everything ready will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Carefully lift the railing section into place, aligning it with the installed brackets. It's often helpful to have an extra pair of hands for this step to ensure the railing is properly positioned. Take your time to make sure everything is aligned correctly, as this will affect the overall stability and appearance of your railing. Depending on the railing type, it will either rest on top of the brackets or slot into pre-designed openings. Make sure to refer to your specific railing instructions for the correct method. Proper alignment is crucial for the safety and durability of the railing, so double-check that everything fits snugly and securely. Use your screwdriver to secure the railing to the brackets. Start by loosely attaching the screws to allow for any final adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the alignment, go ahead and tighten all the screws firmly. This will ensure that the railing is securely fastened and won't wobble or shift over time. Ensure all screws are firmly in place. Give each screw a final check to make sure they are all tight and secure. This step is vital for the safety and stability of your railing, so don't rush through it. A well-secured railing will provide peace of mind and reliable support. If your railing comes in multiple sections, repeat this process until all sections are connected and securely attached. Take your time with each section to ensure a consistent and professional finish. Once all sections are in place, give the entire railing a thorough inspection to confirm that everything is secure and properly aligned. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your safety railing. Section 8. Put it to the test. Ensuring a secure hold. With the railing installed, it's time for the most important step, the safety check. Give the railing a gentle but firm shake. Ensure there is no wobbling or movement. Check that all screws are tight and the railing is firmly attached to the brackets. If you notice any movement or looseness, retighten screws or add additional support as needed. Remember, a properly installed railing should feel solid and secure. Section 9. Job well done. Wrapping up your installation. This is the final step in your journey to a safer home environment. You've put in the time, effort, and dedication to ensure that your home is a secure place for you and your loved ones. Congratulations, you've successfully installed a safety railing in your home. This is no small feat, and you should be incredibly proud of your accomplishment. Not only have you added a functional element to your home, but you've also taken a significant step towards ensuring the safety and well-being of everyone who uses your stairs. Take a step back and admire your handiwork. Look at the sturdy railing you've installed, and appreciate the effort and precision that went into this project. It's not just about the physical installation, it's about the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've made your home a safer place. Knowing you completed this project yourself is a great feeling. There's a unique sense of satisfaction that comes from tackling a DIY project and seeing it through to completion. You've learned new skills, overcome challenges, and now you have a tangible result to show for your hard work. More importantly, you've enhanced the safety of your home. This railing isn't just a decorative addition, it's a crucial safety feature that can prevent accidents and provide support for those who need it. Whether it's for young children, elderly family members, or anyone else, this railing adds an extra layer of security to your home. Remember, safety is an ongoing process. Installing the railing is a significant step, but it's essential to maintain it regularly. Make it a habit to inspect your railing periodically to ensure it remains in good condition. Look for any signs of wear and tear, and address them promptly to keep your home safe. Periodically check your railing for any loose screws or signs of wear. Tighten any loose screws and replace any worn-out parts to ensure the railing remains secure. Regular maintenance will help you catch any potential issues early, preventing them from becoming bigger problems down the line. By being proactive, you ensure your railing continues to provide the support and safety you need for years to come. A well-maintained railing is a long-term investment in your home's safety. Keep up with regular checks and maintenance, and you'll enjoy the benefits of a secure and safe home environment for many years.